decided to add some air conditioners to the garage. We've got this bad boy over here already plumbed up. My buddy Dave and I just finished doing this. We're exhausting to the attic, and then the attic exhausts outside. So we punched that out from up top. Now we got to squeeze the Sawzall in there and cut around it. Much the same around here. And right now it's already great. It's better in here than outside. Maybe in the high 70s right now in here. And also way less humidity. These things have already dehumidified the room quite significantly. So I'm very excited to keep going and get this stuff done. So I just got this one installed. So I decided to use my gold reflective tape that I use for car purposes to really seal up these exhaust connections. This really reduced the amount of leaking air and also really improved the reduction of heat right behind the unit. Initially there was still quite a bit of heat, and really you don't want it sucking up the heat inside of here. You want as cool of air as possible there because it's all about the delta T. You want hot air going up, you want cold air circulating and getting colder and colder and colder. You definitely don't want hot air getting sucked back into the intake. So we did the same thing over here, and these will get pinned up on the walls. I just need to get this figured out tomorrow. So since yesterday, I've made a few changes. I got this piping all kind of tucked away. I got some heavy-duty extension cords so that they're plenty good for the amperage when you these are a 12 gauge. Everything's still piped to the ceiling. I tried to improve some of the bend radiuses. You see that piece of cardboard there? To keep it a straighter shot. Right now it's kind of angled weird because I have it pointed at the welder. Basically, what I want to do is not run this stuff 24/7 yet. The main reason is the insulation's pretty poor, especially up there. For now, I'm gonna just run these at about 80 degrees, which is fine. I set them up, all of them, in a way that I can sort of point them. Let's say I want to work on this car, and whenever I get my lift in here, it might be sort of more out here. I want to demo some of these walls right here. So when the lift is in here, maybe you aim them all at the car you're working on, and you get the nice cool breeze. I'm just enjoying a beer here, thinking I'm going to do a little bit of TIG welding again outside. If you like citrus IPAs, this one's awesome. You got a new size for these gloves. I think the double XL was big. I mean, I have big hands, but man, they were not kidding when they said double XL. Even these XLs, if I can put on a lefty here, like my pinky still not completely all the way to the end. Even these fingers, really aren't all the way in, and this is an XL. Normally XL is not very big for me, and double's usually just right at best. But these gloves are very large sized, so if you got big hands, I can't recommend these enough. I mean, there's guys out there with much bigger hands, and I bet those double XLs will be perfect, but even these XLs are very large for an XL. Maybe I should have gotten an L.